When you print a photo, you're printing a memory that you'll have forever. Here are some tips that can help you print the best quality photos from your HP Sprocket photo printer. Printer firmware updates can include improvements to current print quality, so check for available firmware updates in the Sprocket app. Before updating your printer firmware, check the battery percentage. Open the Sprocket app, tap the menu icon, tap Sprocket, and then tap Printers. Under Status, check the printer battery level. If the battery level is less than 50%, charge the printer until the battery is at least 50% charged. If the battery level is 50% or more, you can run an available firmware update. From the Sprocket app home screen, tap the menu icon, tap Sprocket, and then tap Printers. Tap your connected printer to view printer information. If no options to upgrade firmware display, your printer firmware is up to date. If a firmware update option displays, tap Get Firmware Upgrade and follow the prompts to complete the update. The update takes several minutes. Don't close the app or open any other apps until the update completes. With your firmware taken care of, let's check your photo paper. If it doesn't say HP Sprocket photo paper on the package, it's not the right one. Remove the top cover of your Sprocket and load the photo paper with the Smartsheet. The Smartsheet goes on the bottom of the stack with the barcode facing down as it was in the pack. Put the top cover back on and then turn it on. The first print job you send prints after the Smartsheet travels through your printer. The Smartsheet cleans the printer feed rollers and calibrates the printer for each specific pack of photo paper. Each Smartsheet is perfectly matched to each pack of photo paper, so don't use an old Smartsheet with a new pack of photo paper. It's a good idea to save each Smartsheet until you use the entire pack of paper. If you see any streaking on your printed photos, you can load and scan the corresponding Smartsheet again to help improve print quality. Keep in mind, paper technology has limitations too. Some minor streaking and color differences can occur, even with the latest printer firmware and highest quality photos. Try temporarily turning off embedded experiences in the Sprocket app. This disables the watermark needed to scan photos and can improve print quality. Tap the menu icon, tap Sprocket, and then tap App Settings. Turn off embedded experiences, and when you're done printing, you can turn it right back on to scan your photos and continue reliving those memories. Keep in mind, only prints that have embedded experiences turned on when they are printed can be scanned to reveal extra content. If you print a photo and notice that some basic photo adjustments could improve your printouts, you can adjust settings right from the Sprocket app. First, tap the photo, and then tap Edit. Tap the menu in the bar directly below the photo, then adjust brightness, saturation, and contrast for a better quality print. Tap the check mark to save your changes, and then tap Print. Adjust the settings for each photo and keep showing off amazing printouts that came straight from your HP Sprocket.